Actually, yun isa rin nakita ko na it's my legacy is the successful conduct of the 2010 automated elections. Kaya although na as a part of that elections, I see the automation in 2010. I could not consider that as perfect, but I believe it is a successful one to start with an automated elections. Kasi doon tayo na first time nating implement ng 2010. Although yung perception ng iba, yung sinasabi ko rin nandun naman, yan ang mahirap talaga, yung perception. Yung perception, nasabi nila, it's imperfect. Sabi nila, it does not reflect the correct mandate of the Filipino people. But on my part, it's really a successful one.
When you say I could not consider that as perfect, why do you say this?
Yes, because on the procedural aspects, there are some procedural problems.
Like?
For example, that time, yung date, may nagkaroon tayo ng problem sa date. May lumalabas doon sa transmission na mas maaga o kaya mas late with the actual date of transmission. Then pangalawa, may mga nag-failed ng transmission o kaya late. Then may mga issues din katulad doon sa source code na gusto nila na ibigay namin sa mga ibang interested party to review it unconditionally. Then may mga problems din na yung doon sa security, sa digital signature, doon din sa UV lamps, yung na makita yung mga security. So yung mga yun ang mga but on my part yung mga securities, although na yung may problem sa ibang security, I consider it successful.